Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set custom live wallpaper in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. As you guys know that these wallpapers are default live wallpaper, but if you want to set custom live wallpaper, all you guys have to do just go to Play Store because we can use third-party application for this. So just go to Play Store and then search for live wall. So these are the applications. The fourth application, live wallpaper, any video, just select this application and then install it. So after installing, just open the application, and if you want to set live wallpaper, click on video, and this is your album. Now just select any video from it. I am choosing this one. Basically this is the moon, and then click on set wallpaper. After that, select for home screen and lock screen. I am selecting for home screen only, and that's it. Now, so as you guys see, this is my custom live wallpaper, and this is how we can set it in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. Basically the application name is Ribo, and it will be on Play Store with the live wallpaper any video. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.